Okay, so gagawa tayo ng Microtech Payment Reminder Auto Pop-up version 6. So, una, gagawa tayo ng label. Ito tayo sa bridge. Gagawa tayo ng bridge para sa PPOE. Lagay natin yung port 3. Apply. Port 4. Apply. At port 5. Tapos, lagyan natin ng internet yung Microtech natin. Client. Apply. Okay. IP. DNS. Google DNS. Apply. Okay. IP. Firewall. NAT. Out interface. Ether1. Action. Masquerade. Check natin. Ping. Internet na. Lagyan natin ng internet yung port 2 natin. 192.168.10.1/24. LAN 2. Apply. Okay. IP. Server. Setup. LAN 2. Next lang. Yan. Okay na yan. Dito sa pool. Lagyan natin ng pool. PPPoE. 192.168.11.2 to 192.168.11.254. Apply. Okay. Sa pool PP non-payment naman. 192.168.12.2 to 192.168.12.254. Yan, meron na. Ito tayo sa firewall. Address list. Non-payment. Lagyan natin dito yung IP address na non-payment. 192.168.12.0/24. Double check natin. Pool. Non-payment is 12. Okay. Dito tayo sa queues. PPOE. 192. Yung IP address ng PPPoE natin. .11/.0/24. Lagyan natin ng speed. Kayo na bahala dyan. Tapos non-payment naman. 192.168.12.0/24. 1M lang. Yan. Okay, yan. Dito tayo sa PPP. Server. Create tayo ng server. Server. PPOE. Interface is yung bridge. Once click this one session per host. Apply. Okay. Profile. Ito is 10 Mbps. So 192.168.11.1. What address is POE. In a server. Pwede din wala. Kayo na bahala dyan. Limit is 10M. Q is POE. So, non-payment naman. Non-payment. 192.168.12.1. Pool is non-payment. Limit is 512K. It's 100K lang. Q, non-payment. Apply, okay. Meron na. So, sa secrets. Test. Service. POE. Profile, non-payment. Apply, okay. Tapos dito tayo sa IP, firewall, filter rules, forward, protocol 443, protocol TCP, station port is 443, advanced source address list is non-payment, action is drop, apply, okay. NAT naman, ito is a NAT, so this NAT, protocol TCP, station port is 80 and 443, advance to this list, and payment, action, redirect to 8082. Oops. Yan. Okay na yan. Okay, sa web proxy, enable natin to. Port is 8082. Apply, reset HTML. Dito tayo sa files. Delete. So, kung meron kayong HTML, dito nyo ilalagay. Desktop. Empty. Ito. Yan. Select tayo sa IP. Web proxy natin. Access. IP address ng 9 payment. 192.168. .11. .12.0/24 session is 80 8082. Action allow. Okay. Isa naman. Same pa rin. 192.168.12.0/24. Station address 192.168.12.1. Check mo tong station address dito. Deny 192.168.12.1/error.html. Yan. Tapos ito pa rin, deny. Try. Okay, yan na. Check natin. Lagyan natin tong router natin para lalabas dito. Yun. Labas na. Yung test. So, wireless display muna tayo. Oops, ito. Wireless display. Check natin kung lalabas pa yung payment reminder. Screencast. Okay. Saan ba yan? Nawala. Wait lang natin. Lalabas yung Wi-Fi name. Tagal. Natin. Settings. Wi-Fi. Tagal ah. Close na lang. Ulitin natin. Kasi ayaw lumabas. Lumabas na. Mamba. Yan o. Diba? Lumabas. Payment reminder natin. Ito pop up. Slow internet browsing. Kasi naka 100k tayo doon. Yan o. Very slow yan eh. Talagang magbabayad sila. Again. Ito pop up. Okay. na guys.